You know that one long dress that makes you feel like a soft princess, a grown-up girly, and a rom-com main character all at once? Yup, we are going there today. In today's video, I'm showing you 5 stunning long dresses from Myntra, from the brand Max. And trust me, by end of this video, you're going to look at long dresses like a new wardrobe bestie. We are styling them, loving them, and feeling that slow fashion energy today. So here's the thing. I know sometimes we'll look at long dresses and feel overdressed or too underwhelming, but girl, we are breaking that myth right here. These dresses are about to show you how versatile, flattering, and fuss-free they are. Now let's quickly dive into my most favorite 5 long dresses from Max. These are perfect for your coffee dates, dreamy getaway, grocery runs, and even I want to feel cute at home days. And by the way, starting today, I'm kicking off my 5 minutes series outfit inspo videos daily for next 10 days. Subscribe now, don't even miss a single sparkle, guys. Also check out my Insta reel girl, some mini looks and behind the scene cuteness. And please don't judge my beginner friendly videos. I'm trying hard. Okay, I have everything written down here. Also just look at this cute. The first beauty is a soft whisper, all white Akoba lace dress. She's an elegance in fabric form. All white laced, long, dreamy, like you can see. This Akoba piece is perfect for brunches, bridal showers, or just pretending, cottagecore movie. I love how it flows. I mean, just look at how effortless that is. Like, it's like a hug, but make it angelic. This is bothering me. I didn't see this. I've already filmed the intro and okay. Now, the second dress that we have is the Earth Muse. Beige brown floral dress with a belt. Not really sure if I should call this beige, cream, or in the same very family. This one's giving very poetry. Look at this dress, like I just feel like a vintage painting in a cottage. The floral print, plus the brown tones, plus the long sleeves, and plus cute belt. Like, wow. It's a cozy coffee day turn fashionable kind of outfit. Honestly, wear this with boots or sandals and you're serving. I read a vintage book and I sip oat milk latte energy. I hope you get this. Moving on to the third. This is a drama queen, like black, brown, georgette, flowy dress. Like, it's absolutely beautiful. Now, when you want to look romantic and powerful, I think this dress comes in handy. Now, this is a georgette beauty. Though I'm not a fan of georgette a lot, this feels right. This feels kind of right. It has a very soft belt, flowy vibe, and that gorgeous floral prints that you're seeing. Perfect for dinner dates or even just a dramatic twirl in your hallway. It is so good. Like, I must say. Now see, you do get these kind of dresses in Forever New, but they come really expensive. Usually their silhouette and the flow is much than what you get in Max. If you're somebody who wants something under 1,500, I think this beauty a good buy. Moving on to the fourth one is the sage green formal cute hybrid. Now I'm calling this hybrid because is this good for formal or informal? This dress is such a surprise. It's slightly formal but still flirty. Sage green is chef kiss, you girls. Just look at that. It is ice creamy and so soft. And the button down designs makes it very versatile piece for both work and wine, I guess. Wear it with a sleek hair. Wear this with sleek hair or a low bun and you're golden. Also get some English vibe in this. This silhouette again is not kind of my style. Mostly I prefer fit and flare to complement my body type. This also goes well on most of the body types. Moving on to the last dress for today's video, because it has to be under 5 minutes and I'm running out, I guess, is this playful Parisian black and white printed dress. Like, very casual, very basic, still shorter, long enough to feel dressy. It has this soft baby-like fabric, so soft and cute. Also, this got long sleeves, very deep neck, because it's got a tie right here. Cutest playful vibe. By the way, I already gifted this dress to my friend. It's her birthday in July. I think it's very cute. Perfect for museum days or art cafe, or just feel cute with the cat. So that was my long dress lineup from Max, and honestly, I'm obsessed. Comment below which one matched your vibe the most. Are you the cottagecore cutie city chic queen. If you enjoyed this haul, don't forget to hit that like button and share and comment. Ring the bell so you don't miss the upcoming 10 days of 5 minutes videos. It's going to be fast, fab, and full on fun little outfit moments. And hey, I'm also posting daily reels on Instagram, so make sure you follow me there for behind the scene twirls, transition, and girly fashion joy. Love you all. Thank you for supporting my slow fashion journey. I'll see you in my next one. Until then, stay cute, stay kind. I'll see you in my next one. Did I say that already? I love you guys. Bye. Comment and let me know if you girls watched Sayara movie already. I really want to do that, but I don't have a company, you girls. Nobody wants to watch romantic movies in my circle now. They're done and dusted. I'll remember when I watch Ashiki 2. I'm laughing right now, but that phase of my life was tragic. It was such an emotional movie, depressing and romantic. And now that I'm seeing Sayara reels and reviews, the vibe is same. I'm definitely going to watch this because it's a happy ending movie, and I love a good rom-com happy ending. Why simply unnecessarily depress yourself, right? I love banana. Also, if you're still watching,